Hello everyone, I am Professor Devanshi Varot from the Vadodara Institute. Today we are going to learn about the practical tree. It's about the parts of speech. Okay, now let's learn about the meaning of the parts of speech. What is the meaning of the parts of speech? Parts of speech. In normal words, we can say the parts of speech are the basic categories of the words in English grammar. They help us to understand how words are used in a sentence. Learning parts of speech improves the grammar, vocabulary, speaking, and writing skills. In short, to refer a different types of words in a sentence. Okay, so parts of speech refer to a different types of words according to their function in the sentence. What is the function of the every and each part in a sentence? We bifurcate it as eight parts of speech. We can say the types of parts of speech. There are eight parts of speech. First is a noun. Now, what is noun? Noun is a name of a person, things, or an idea. We can say that. For example, Rahul, school, book. They all are the noun. Next is a pronoun. Pronoun is used for instead of a noun. We can say that the verb who replace the noun is called pronoun. For example, he, she, it, they, all the persons, first person, second person, third person, or the families of the persons, first person, second person, third person. We all know about that. First person is I, we, second person is you, third is he, she, it, and they. All the family members of that persons we can include in a pronoun. Okay, verb. Verb that means the word that shows action and a state. For example, run, write, sing, drink, eat, play, whatever we are doing something, that's a verb. Okay, next one is adjective. Adjective is a describing of a noun. We can say that the word who describe the noun is called adjective. Okay, the word which is describe the noun, it's called adjective. Like beautiful girl. Girl is a noun and beautiful is an adjective. Tall boy. Boy is a noun and tall is an adjective. The next one is an adverb. See the difference between adjective and adverbs. Adjective means a describe about the noun and the adverb is a describe about the verb. Okay, means describing verb we can say that. Okay, and adverbs describe a verb, adjective and another words. Okay, so for example, quickly, very slowly, how the manner the action is done. Okay, next, what the manner verb or action is done. Okay, preposition. Preposition word which shows the relationship between the words. Uh, we already know about the in and verb or across. They all are the prepositions. The next one is a conjunction. Conjunction, the word which is join the words or a sentences. For example, and, but, because. You can use one sentence like Sheila and Rina are the best friends. Then and is a conjunction because they are joining two words, Rina and Sheila. Okay, so they are the conjunctions. Next is interjection. Interjection means the word who expresses sudden feelings or emotions. For example, wow, oh, hurry, else. All are the sudden feelings. It's called the interjection. Here we take one example, one sentence which is included all the parts of speech. Just look at it. Wow, Manish quickly wrote a beautiful poem on friendship and shared it with us yesterday. In that, wow is an interjection which is express the sudden feeling. Manish is the name of a person. It includes the noun. Quickly means wrought quickly. Whatever the action is done is quickly. It means the quickly is adverb and wrought is a verb. Okay, next, a beautiful is article plus adjective. Poem is a noun and it describes the poem. So beautiful is adjective. Poem is a noun and it describes the poem. That's why beautiful is an adjective. On is a preposition. Friendship is a noun and is a conjunction because this sentence and this sentence make one sentence through this conjunction. So it's combine or join or two sentence. That's why and is a conjunction. Shad is a verb. It is a pronoun. With is a preposition, us is a pronoun, and yesterday are verbs or a noun of a time. So these all are the parts of speech of a one sentence. Here is a one exercise that you can learn it and do by yourself. Okay, so I hope you understand the parts of speech. Let's revise it. There are eight types of the parts of speech. One is noun, which is the name of a person, place, or thing. Pronoun, used instead of a noun. Verb shows an action or state. Adjective, describe the noun. Adverb, describe the verb. And preposition shows the relationship between words in, on, under, over. Conjunction, join words or sentences and, but, because. And interjection is the expression sudden feelings and or emotions. Wow, oh, hurry, like that. Okay, they all are the parts of speech. Now I think you understand and do this exercise by yourself. Okay, bye.